What is in your face? Something is in your face. What is that? Here. Tilakar. Something is in your face. What is that? That side. That side. Here, here, here. Okay, start writing. Yes. What is that? Got hurt. Fell down. Yes. Mango. Mango milk. Okay, okay. Good. Satvika, good morning. Satvika, good morning. Ready, finish?
No.
Right fast, ma. Tilakar, right then. Vidyut, good morning, Vidyut. Good morning, Vidyut.
He's crying, ma'am. He don't want to
Oh, woke up very late.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Vidyut, see here, Vidyut. What is troubling you, Vidyut? Look here. Look here, we are going to sing rhymes also today. Look here. Look here. Where is your crayons, Vidyut? Where is your crayons? Where is your crayons? Take your crayons and write. See how many crayons you have. Wow, very good. Take one crayon. Which is your favorite color? Take it out. Which is your favorite color, ma? Take it out.
The favorite color.
Which color you like? I like red color. What color you like? Yes. Show it to ma'am. Come on. Show it to ma'am. Okay, come on. Take that color. Draw any picture and show it to ma'am. Come on. Draw an apple, tomato, strawberry, anything that is in red color. And show it to ma'am. Come on, Vidyut. Good boy, Vidyut. Come on, finish and show it to ma'am, okay? Very good. Good boy. Yes, who else finished? Nukshita, what ma? You like blue. Very good, Nukshita. Satvika. Good morning, Satvika. Good morning. Satvika, good morning. What happened to Satvika? Why are you crying, ma? You want to play? Okay, you play, no problem. Sit and play. Yes, you attend the class and you play, okay? Give her some toys to play. Let us sit and play as well as she'll attend the class also. Okay, Satvika's mom?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, thank you. Karthikeyan, show me. Karthikeyan, how should you write? 1 to 10 and then you have to leave one box and then you have to write from 11 to 20. Yes, like that only we should write. Yes or no? Next time you write like that. But it is correct only. Okay? 1 to 10 in one line. And then the next checks you have to leave it. And then another checks you have to write from 11 to 20. Okay?
Alvi.
Okay, very good. I'm marking you good. Who else? Who else finished, ma? Yes, what? Tilakar is finished? Tilakar has finished. 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 9. Where is 9 and 10? 9 and 10 I'm not able to see. 9 and 10. Now you write from 11 to 20. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. Tilakar's mom, is he writing on his own or you are helping him? Tilakar's mom. Yes, others please mute Kana. Rohita, Vidyut, Janavi, Kavyani, Pranita. Mute yourself. Mute yourself, I'll be back. Everyone mute yourself, I'll be back. Please mute yourself. I'll call you, okay? Tilakar's mom, is he able to write on his own or you are helping him?
No, ma'am. He only waiting.
He's writing. Wow. Very good. Okay, children, hope everyone has finished. Just lift up your notebooks and show me. I'll see whether you have written or not. Kavyani, show me. I didn't see yours. Kavyani, show me. Kavyani, then who else? Janavi, Kavyani.
बंद कर दे भैया
Yes, Kavyani. Good, good. But even more smaller you can write Kavyani, okay? Even more smaller you can write.
But evening pink color. But evening green color.
Okay, good children. All of you, those are finished. Ready? Yeah, yeah. Ready? Yeah, Rohita, correct, correct, Rohita. Correct, Rohita. Good. Zaidi also good. Nice, Zaidi. Very good, Zaidi. I am marking Zaidi. Good. Rohita also good. Everybody very good, children. Okay, now stop. Ritvik, what you have written? Show me. Time to start the session, children. Come on. Ritvik, show me, ma. I'll finish off with you. Come on, Ritvik. Ritvik. Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am. This week. Finished, ma'am. 1 to 15 he wrote.
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. Ritvik is in the name?
I don't know, ma'am. We are logging in the laptop, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. I found out. Yeah, good. Yeah, very good. Till 20 has written.
15, ma'am.
Till 15. He himself is writing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wow, very good, very good. Well done, well done. Well done, Ritvik. Okay. Very good, children. Big round of applause for you all. Thank you so much, children. Okay, keep your notebooks down. Come on. All of you keep your notebooks down. Keep your notebooks down, children. Vishank. Vishank. Good morning, Vishank. Yes, what are you doing, Vishank? I didn't notice you. Sorry, Vishank. What are you doing? Did you write anything? Any? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, good, good, good. Very nice. High five, Vishank. Good boy. High five. Very good boy. Okay, children, keep your notebooks down. Keep your pencils down. Stand up, join your hands, close your eyes for Kids Anthem. Come on, all of you stand up, children. Already it's time up. Come on. Join your hands and close your eyes. All of you mute yourself. Mute yourself. Come on. Mute, mute. Kids Anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, open your eyes, children. Good morning, everyone. Yes, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Okay, children, now we have an activity today. Are you all ready for the activity? Yes, for that all of you should stand up. Stand up, all of you first. Stand up. Now all of you go inside and bring an object in green color. Yes, all of the, but don't bring crayons and all, please. Any object, if it is a toy, dress, fruit, vegetable, children, you have to go. Your parents will not go. You have to go and fetch an object that is in green color. Yeah, come on. Vivan, you are sitting. Yes, very good. Everyone are going. Very good. Rohit also should go. Nobody should sit in your place. Everyone should go. I'm watching everyone. Everyone should go and fetch a material and come.
What is this?
Okay, you just show me, children. Just show me. Mute yourself. Mute yourself and show me. Show me what you have brought. Okay? Yes, good. Good, good, good. Just show me what you have brought. Yes. Good. Diction. Diction has not come. Vidyut is not here. Everyone brought. Sorry. Janavi. Yes. Tilaka, did you bring anything that is green in color? Ritvik, very good, Ritvik. Very fast, Ritvik. Very good. Siddharth, good. Tilaka, good. Janavi, good. Nukshita, good. Dikshan, very nice Dikshan. Tarnika, good. Very nice, everyone. Good. Zeddy, what did you bring? Vivan, what you brought, Vivan? Vivan didn't bring anything? Okay, everyone are ready with your material. Vishank, Zeddy. No green color objects in your home? Very good, Kartikeyan. Yes, very good, Satvika. Good. Satvika, good. Yes, Pranita. Pranita. Yeah, Pranita. Show me, Pranita. What did you bring? You brought a vegetable. Very good. Very good, Pranita. You brought a vegetable. Very good. Very good. Kavyani, good. Zaidi, good. Zaidi brought a green color bottle. Very good. Vishank, what did you bring?
Elephant, bubble.
Elephant. Okay, very good. Janavi, good. Very good, children. Very good. Very good. Now go and bring something related to pink color.
Pink color.
Pink. Pink, pink. Pink.
Ma'am, cannot I try?
Yes. Very good. Tarnika. Good, Tarnika. You're having everything next to you itself. Good. Janavi also good. Very good. Janavi, how did you get that, Janavi? You didn't go anywhere. How did you get that?
Vanilla ma'am gives a command, she will be flying in a.
Sorry?
If Vanilla ma'am gives a command, she will be flying.
Oh my God. Very good, Janavi. Everything is next to her. Good. Ritvik, very good boy, Ritvik. Super, Ritvik. Vidyut, still Vidyut is searching for green color.
Vanilla, ma'am.
Ma'am, he's asking for the same marker which is in your hand.
Sorry?
Vanilla, ma'am.
1 minute, ma. Yes, I can't hear who is saying.
Pencil.
Yeah, very good. Color pencil, good. Good. Very good, children. Tilakar, you are sitting in your place. You are ordering your mama
Ma'am,
to
he is
bring
asking
something.
for the same cap which is in your hand.
Same cap. Oh my God, this is my chisel, ma. You will not get it. You have to go to shop and buy. Oh my God.
He's hiding there and he's
This
not
only I
coming.
have. I don't have any toys. I don't play with toys, so I am having the color pen.
No, ma'am, he thought like you asked the same cap.
No. Any object related to that color. Good, Pranita, good.
Vanilla, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Satvika. Good, Satvika. Satvika, I heard Satvika's voice. Yes, Kavyani. Good, Kavyani. Very nice. That's your brother's toy, right? That's your brother toy, right? Yes, I know. Very good, Daddy ball. Vishank, chair. Very good, Vishank. Very nice. Rohita.
Green
Kitchen
color.
set. Kitchen set. Very good. Dikshan, horse. Very good, very good. Very good, children. Well done. Okay, children, enough. Stop. All of you come back to your places. Come on. Come back to your place. Ready for the... Yes, ready for the attendance? Good. Pranita, mute yourself, Pranita. Everyone, very good. Come on, keep your toys down. Bat, very good, Nightic, good. You thought I didn't see you, Nightic? I saw you, Nightic. Okay, good. Children, I am seeing everyone, children. Don't feel for that I'm not calling you. I am seeing everyone in one screen. Okay? So please don't feel for that. Okay, children? Okay, attendance time. Danvin.
I need like 4 years old.
Yes, Danvin, your voice is very low. Okay, no problem. Dikshan.
My name is Ditchen. I am in Tarikan Junior KG.
Very good, Dikshan. Parnas.
Unani man, I am a fan of Fatima. I am Teddy Duna Daddy.
Very good, Parnas. Janavi.
I'm Hasni. I'm Hasni.
My name
Janavi.
is Gunjana. I'm a kitty girl.
Whenever you like, you will say I am a kidsy girl. Whenever you don't like, you will not say I am a kidsy girl. Oh my God. Kartikeyan.
Ma'am, Hasni.
Sorry, Hashni. Sorry, Hashni. I already marked you present. Sorry, Hashni. Hashni.
My name is Ozzy. I am staying in junior KG.
Very good, Hashni. Kartikeyan. What? Kartikeyan? What happened today?
Hello, ma'am. My name is Karthik.
Very good, Kartikeyan. Kavyani.
Hello, Manila, ma'am. Studying in junior KG.
Very good,
My
Naitik.
name is Ayo.
Ayyo.
My name is I'm studying in junior KG.
Okay, Naitik.
I am 4. My name is Isaac. I am studying in junior KG.
Good, good, Naitik. Nukshita.
What will I am studying of?
Kavyani, mute yourself, Kavyani. Please, Kavyani. Nukshita. What? Nukshita.
Sita, I'm studying junior KG.
Very good, Pranita.
Good morning, Manila ma'am. I am Pranita. I am in junior KG.
Well done, Pranita. Ritvik.
I am Latvik. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Ritvik. Very good. Nowadays, you are speaking very well, Ritvik. Rohita.
My name is Sota. I'm 4S. I'm junior KG.
Very good, Sai Nitesh.
Sandesh.
Sai Nitesh. Okay, he's not here. Okay, children. Next is Siddharth. Old. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good. Tilakar. Tilakar.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is
Confused. Yes, you yourself are regularly when you attend the class only you'll be able to say confusing. Good, very nice, awesome. Okay, next Vishant. Vishant.
Good morning, ma'am. Vishant, say good morning.
Starting problem for Vishant.
Vishant.
Vishant, if you are playing, ma'am is not going to call you, Vishant. Look at ma'am.
My name is Vishant.
Very good, Vishant. Vivan.
Your turn, Miss Vivan. Your turn.
Vivan.
I need you to KG.
Very good, Vivan. Zadi.
My name is JD. I am studying junior KG. I am studying junior KG.
4 years old, you forgot. Okay.
I
Satvik.
am studying junior KG.
Very nice.
I am teacher.
Well done, Satvika. Vidyut. 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 Where are
Today
you,
fully
Vidyut?
crying, ma'am. I don't know why.
Fully crying. Oh my God. Okay, you mute yourself. We'll see what is happening. We'll see. Okay, Vidyut, no need to cry. I'm not asking you anything. Okay. Okay. Thank you, children. Now I want you to take your alphabet flashcards, children. Come on, bring your alphabet flashcards. Alphabet flashcards. Where is your cards, children? Vidyut, bring your card, Vidyut. Till L you have to bring, children. Till L it is enough. No need to bring till Z. Till L if you have, you bring it. A to L. Bring it and arrange. Yes, Vidyut's mom, you can mute yourself. Please don't compel him, force him. Give him what he wants. Give him what he wants.
Ma'am, we are unable to hear, ma'am.
Yes, who cannot hear me? Who is not able to
Yeah,
hear me?
now it is audible, ma'am.
Okay. Vidyut's mom, you give him what he needs. No need to force him. Please give him, if he needs a toy, give him, let him play for some time. Don't force him, please. Okay, children, bring your alphabet cards. Come on. Till L, you have to bring, arrange it in your table. Ma'am is going to show you the action. You have to show me the cards, okay? If I am showing the action for A, you have to show me the A letter card. Okay, children? Till L it is enough. No need till Z. Yeah, 12 cards we have, I think. Is ready, all of you? If Vishank is not having his card, you can write and show me, Vishank. Write it in your slate, Vishank. Till L, ask your daddy to write. You can just point it out and show me if you don't have cards, okay? Those who don't have cards, don't feel for that. Take your slate, write it till L in that. When I'm asking you, you can show that alphabet. You can do that also. Please don't fight with your mama that you don't have cards. Okay, ready all of you? Very good, Vishank. Wonderful daddy. See there? He's giving you toy alphabet. Very good. Okay, children. Now, first, ma'am is going to show you. Yes, show me. What letter is this? What letter is this? All of you look at the screen, then only you will know. Which parents, please don't help them. Please, parents, don't help them. Let them identify and show me. This is observation, so please don't help them. Yes, very good. Jahnavi, correct. Very good. Naitik, good. Siddharth, good. Yes, others. Tarnika, good. Nukshita, good. Rohita, what is the alphabet? Which action? K, 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 k. Yeah, good. Vivan, Ritvik, show me the alphabet. K, 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 k. K, k means what alphabet? Yeah. Zeddy, good Zeddy. Good. Vishan, k, 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 k. Take and show me. Good, Vishan. Come on. Very good boy. Show me, Vishan. Take the alphabet and show me. Which sound? See here. Vishank, look at mom. Vishank. K, 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 k. Yeah, clicking castanets. K, k, k. Okay, afterwards you can fight with your dad. Come on, look at mom. Oh my God, I'm very scared. We are clicking castanets. K, k, k. All of you. Very good, children. Well done, well done, well done. Now, next alphabet is eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Crack the egg like this. Which alphabet? Very good, Satvika. Very good, Satvika. Very nice. Good. First she took. Good, Tarnika. Good. Vivan, Vishank. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Which letter? Vishank, come on, take the letter. Yeah, take the letter. That's in your slate. See. Which alphabet you will sing the song? Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Take the alphabet and show ma. Take your E alphabet and show it to ma'am. Yeah, very good. Very good, children. All of you good. Ritvik. Tilakar. Tilakar is not there. Nikita, good. If Tilakar is not having the cards, you write A to L in a slate and give it to him. Let him show the alphabet written in that. Okay? Okay, next. Those alphabets which you have taken, no, you keep it aside, children. We have finished with C and E. Okay? Next alphabet, it's going to be bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play with Siddharth's mom, please don't help him. Very good, Jahnavi. Very good. Very good. Kavyani, bring your bats and bring your ball. Which will you take? Bring your bat and bring your ball. Which alphabet will you take? B.
B sound kaya bhai.
Bat, ball. That's what. See, children, some of you don't know which alphabet to take, but only you know the rhyme. That is what I'm conducting this activity. So please don't help from your parents. You do it on your own. Kavyani, B. Bring your bat and bring your ball.
Angi my god.
Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Very good, children. Very good. Satvika, Zaidi, Vidyut, Vivan, Naitek, Tanita. Good. Very good, everyone. Tarnika, good. Next is Anzamayam, 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 they are causing me alarm. Which alphabet you will take? Very good, Siddharth. Good boy, Siddharth.
Ma'am, क्या बोली?
First you took. Yeah, very good, Zaidi. Tarnika, good. Yeah. Naitik, good. Kavyani. Yeah, Karthikeyan. Show me the alphabet, Karthikeyan. Anzamayam. 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 They are causing me alarm. Very good, children. Very good. And our next alphabet is going to be, my friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the air came out. Tarnika, very nice, awesome, Tarnika. As soon as you heard the song, you took the card. Very nice. Good. Very good, children. Very good, Nukshita. Very nice. Very nice. Now, come on, Vishan. Good. Karthikeyan, good. Good. Jahnavi, good. Ritvik, what are you doing? Show me the alphabet. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the air came out. Good. Very good, Pranita. Good. Next is, water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with the g sound. Which is the g sound alphabet? Very good, Siddharth. Siddharth, very nice, Siddharth. Really, you are very well clear with that phonic sound. Good, Siddharth. Very good, Satvika. Little bit closer, Satvika. I can't see what you have taken. Show me closer. Is that G? Yeah, good, Satvika. Very good. Good. Kavyani is still searching. G. Kavyani is still searching. Rohita? Ulta, Rohita. Now correct. Water gurgles down the drain. Very good, Pranita. Water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with the g. Good, Zaidi. Very good, Vivan. Show me the alphabet. G. Good. Good. Good also comes letter G. Good. Next, it's going to be, see me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da. See me play upon my drum. Drum. Very good, Satvika. Good. Siddharth, good. Yeah, Dikshan. Very good, Dikshan. Very nice. Good. Everyone very good. Vivan, good. Janvi, good. Good. Ritvik, Shoma. Show me the card. Good. Very good, Ritvik. Kavyani, what are you doing, Kavyani? I'm going to watch only you. See. Here is Kavyani. Oh, yes. Come on, show me the card. D. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun. Da. See me play upon my drum. Show me the card, Kanna. What are you doing? Show me the card. Or
I
else
don't
write and
watch
show me. Okay, write
English.
and show me. Write and show me.
Kolla
Show me
na
what you have written. Show me what you have written. Where is this letter?
Unga
Keep
madda
your
kaya.
pointer finger. Keep your pointer finger and show me D. D. Good, good. Very good, Jahnavi. Jumping out of joy. Very good. D. Where is D, Ma Kavyani? Where is D? Ah. Show me where is D.
D.
Where is D? Point it out. Show me. This is D, Vanilla, ma'am. This is D, Vanilla, ma'am. Yeah, very good, very good. Okay, good. Next, I
Mine.
like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. Ha, 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 ha. Farnaz, yes, which letter will show? Very good, Farnaz. Good, good. Yeah, taking tuck, tuck, tuck like that. Very good. Ha, 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 ha. Ha. Good children. Very good diction. Super diction. Very good. Very good. Very good, Jahnavi. Good. Siddharth. Good. Siddharth instead of Siddharth. Mama is showing. Siddharth is playing. Okay. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink it spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Ink is wet. E. What letter is that? Very good, Farnaz. Good. Good. E. Vishant. E. Inky the mouse is my pet. E. What letter you have to show? E. Yes, Satvika. Jahnavi, is it H or I?
Maisa.
Is it H or I? Ulta. Ah, correct. Good, good. Good, Kartikeyan. Good. Vivan, good. Dikshan, good. Ready, good. Very good. Yeah, very good, children. Pranita. Good, Pranita. Good. Kavyani, where is I? E. Show me.
I.
I sounds E. Yeah, I. Good. Next is jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja. Ja. Very good, Siddharth. Good. Tarnika, good. Very good, Tarnika. Really very good. Ja. Yeah, Nightic. Good, Nightic. Very good, Nightic. I'm seeing you, Nightic. Good, Farnaz. Good. Nightic, good. Pranita, good. Karthikeyan, good. See, if I'm repeating on all those 25 words, no 25 names, and I'll have no time, children. Very good. Overall, very good, children. And next, it's going to be I lick my lollipop. I lick my lollipop. I lick my lollipop. Yes, lick my lollipop. What letter you will get? Yes, what letter? This L. Very good, very good. Very good, Farnaz, good. Ritvik, good. Naitik, good. Kartika, good. Pranita, good. Pranita, very good. Kartikeyan, good. Vivan, Dikshan, good. Very good, children. Good. Next is kites are flying in the sky. K. Yes? K. Good. Very good, everyone. So now keep your cards down. We have finished all the letters, right? Now today we are going to see a new letter. Okay? What letter is that? M. Know what letter is that? M. See here, all of you. M. Okay? M sounds. What is the sound of M? Okay? Mom and the dad makes many meals. Mom and the dad makes many meals for their hungry children. Okay, children? Today we are going to learn okay? One standing line, one curve, another curve. Okay, children? So I am going to show you some pictures related to M. Okay? Today's worksheet, it will be D41LT. Worksheet D41LT. Please be ready with that worksheet, children. I'll present you now. Yes, children. Are you all able to see the screen? Children, are you all able to see? Can anyone acknowledge?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Okay, children, now mute yourself. This is M. Okay, M for mango, M for monkey, M for man, M for moon, M for mouse, M for mask, M for mother. Okay, so all these are the pictures related to M. So today's worksheet D41 LT. Yeah, this sheet we are going to do. This sheet, below the sheet, you will have 5 boxes. In that you have to write M. So before that, write the date and your name, children.
Vanilla, ma'am. Page number.
What?
D41 LT.
Okay.
D41 LT. M for mug. First, children, with your pointer finger, keep your finger in number 1, put the standing line, and then you have to do like this curve. Yes? Yes. M. Yes. Right alphabet M. This is your sheet. Having the letter M. Children, this is not like capital letter M. You will not stretch it out till the red line. You are going to write in between the blue line only. Okay? Don't go till the red line. Have to write like this. Come down, go up, come down, again go up, come down. Don't take your finger out, children. Without taking your finger, you have to write. Write without taking your finger, children. First, a standing line. The same line you go up. Again, you come down. Go up, come down. Okay? Those who are having different sheets, you can try in that another sheet also. Please don't take your hand, children. Without taking your hand, try to write. Slowly trace the word. Trace the letter, okay? Standing line first. Then a curve. Go up, another. Okay, children?
blue line, red line.
Yeah. Like this, you have to write, children. Okay, M for monkey, M for mug, M for mouse, M for mask, M for mother.
அந்த எம் போடு குட்டி எம் போடு சின்ன எம் போடு
Okay, finish.
இவர்தான் எழுத்து பேர் ஏது டேட் ஏது
Yes, everyone. Yes, good. Vishang, finish. Rashika, good. Ritvik, right, ma. Finish, Ritvik. 5 letters, if you write, it is enough.
இங்க என்னடா தேதி
Good.
என்ன
Good, children, good. Mask, mirror, mug, mushroom. Yeah, good. Tarnika, good. Good. Okay, our next worksheet. Okay, stop writing that. Rest of the letters you write as homework and send to ma'am. Okay?
என்ன எழுதுறீங்க நோது
Yes, Pranita, please mute yourself, Kanna. Next, it's going to be D39MT. D39MT math worksheet. Okay? D39MT. Number 28 we are going to write. Yes, this sheet, the worksheet number is D39MT. D39MT. Write the name and date, children. Regularly you have to write the date and name. Yes, Pranita.
Ma'am, worksheet number nare.
What is the next worksheet number is D39MT. You will see number 28 worksheet. See the pictures. If you see the picture also you can take. This may be in number, sorry, workbook number 1 only it will be. Old workbook you have number 1, right? Workbook number 1. You are going to finish workbook number 1. Be ready with your workbook number 2. Two 828. Yes, who is going to count along with me today? It's going to be Naitik. Naitik, count along with ma'am today, Naitik. Help me, Naitik, come on.
Yes, ma'am. Bara.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everything your mama will say and then only you will say. Okay, come on, count with ma'am. Help ma'am, come on. What is this?
Group of 10.
Very good, Naitik. 10. And this is?
Group of 10.
Group of 10 only. What you should say? This is 10. This is 20. And here 21. Come on.
22.
Ah.
23.
Ah.
24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29.
Ah. Then you go. Go on telling till 30, 50 and all, okay? 28 only is there, right? When the picture is that much only, you have to stop there. Okay, Naitik? Yeah. 2, 8, 28. It's 2, 8, 28, children. Start writing. 2, 8, 28. 2, 8, 28. Okay? 2, 8, 28. Yes, Pranita, right, ma? 2, 8. See, ma'am is writing. You're not writing. I'm going to finish first. Ma'am is only going to finish first. Pranita is not going to finish. Let me see who is going to finish first. Tilakar, why did you take it off the worksheet, ma? Why you took off the worksheet? Where is your workbook? Where is your workbook, ma? Tilakar, did you finish writing? Two, 8, 28. Farna, spell and write. Don't keep mom. Come on. Spell and write. 2, 8, 28. See, I'm watching everyone, children. Nobody is spelling and writing, children. Why is that? Pranita, sorry. Rohita, you too? Always used to spell and write. Yes or no? 2, 8, 28. Okay, very good. Finished. Good. Very good girl, Rohita. Danvin, finish. Good, Danvin. Very good, Danvin. Very good, very good. Yes, Farnaz, finish. What number is that, Farnaz? What number is that?
28.
28. Very good. Next, who else? Ranita, finish.
46, ma'am.
I finished, ma'am. You should say, ma. Don't talk in Tamil, ma. Ritvik. Wow, Ritvik. Very nice, Ritvik. See how nicely you are writing. Very nice, very nice. Good boy. Kartikeyan, finish. Yeah, right. Hashni. Finish, Hashni.
No, ma'am. She is still writing.
Right. 8 is little bit difficult, so take your own time and write. No problem in that. Janvi.
I'm writing.
Mama has come. Mama has come. Very good. Nukshita, good, Nukshita. Tarnika, very good. Good, very nice. Very good, I saw. Very good. Dikshan. Dikshan, finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, show me, Dikshan.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, show me, Dikshan. Yeah, good, Dikshan. Very nice. Good, superb. But why your 28 is sleeping? Some 8 is standing, some 8 is sleeping. Why? Keep your book properly and write, Dikshan, okay? Yes, Siddharth. Good, Siddharth. Very nice, Siddharth. Your handwriting will always be good, I know. Very good.
Ma'am, Zeddy is not writing.
Zaidi, क्या हुआ Zaidi? Zaidi? Why Zaidi is not writing? You don't want star, Zaidi? Mama is going to give you star in your hand. If you are not writing, how will you get that? Chalo. Start karo. Right. Very good, Zaidi. Good girl. Next, who else finished, children? Ritvik, very nice, Ritvik. Nowadays, you are writing very beautifully. Very nice. Nice improvement, Ritvik's mom. Very nice improvement. Very nice, Ritvik. Is he writing his name on his own?
Yes, ma'am.
Ritvik,
He's right.
he's writing.
Writing.
Wow, very good. Nice. Next, who else? Vishank. Vishank. Yeah, I'll come back, Hashni. I'll come back. Come back. Vishank, are you writing, Vishank? Right. Finish. Yes, who else? Yes, Karthikeyan. Good. Good, Karthikeyan. I saw you. Hashni, Karthikeyan. Good, Hashni. What, ma? Finish? Very good, Hashni. Good. You are having control in your writing nowadays. Very good. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Nukshita, Dhanvin. Finish. Everyone finish. Satvika, I didn't see how you are writing. Finish, Satvika. First itself you finish. Very fast writing. Yes, come on. Yes, Pranita. Finish. Good girl. Good girl. You have to be patient, Pranita. Okay? Why are you crying, Pranita? You should be patient. Ma'am is going to see you only, okay? Anyhow, ma'am is going to see you. So don't feel for that, okay? Very good, children. Shall we move on to our next worksheet? Next worksheet, it's going to be D40MT. It's D40MT. Maybe it may be in your old book, that is workbook number 1, or else it will be in workbook number 2. This is going to be the worksheet and the worksheet number is D40MT. Shapes, we are going to match the shapes. Yeah, finish. Nukshita, look at the screen, Nukshita. You finished, Nukshita. Oh my God. Without ma'am's advice, you finished. Very good. Okay, tell me what are the shapes. What shape? First is only Nukshita is going to say. Others, please mute yourself. Oval. Next.
This one.
Who's that, ma?
This one.
Which ma, Pranita? Show me, Pranita. Yeah, that one only. That one only. Yeah, that one only, children. You have to match the shapes, children. Okay? Pranita, please mute yourself, Pranita. I'll come back. Okay? Mute yourself. Ready, finish. Children, see, without my help, you have finished. Children, very good children. All of you see here. How clever you children are. Very good children. Now you have to color the shapes, children. Color the shapes. Come on. Color the shapes. See here. Oval, square, sorry, rectangle, diamond, heart. 4 shapes we have. Zeddy, what are the shapes here? Zeddy, tell me. Zeddy, what are the shapes here? Come on, point it out and tell me. First, what is that first? Zeddy. What is it, Zeddy? First one.
First one.
First one.
Egg one.
First one. No, not egg. You have to tell me the shape. I know. Tell me the shape. What shape is this? Oval. Oval. And this is? Next one.
Which one, Jerry?
Balls.
What is it? No, it's not a square. It's a rectangle. Okay, and this one, what shape is this?
Next is
Diamond. Diamond. Okay, and the fourth one is
what is
heart.
heart.
Heart shape. Okay, oval shape.
Rectangle shape.
Oval shape you will be matching. Egg. Oval shape you will be matching egg. Rectangle you will be matching the bus. Diamond shape you will be matching the kite. And heart shape you will be matching heart. Heart shape pillow. Okay, children? Hope you are finished, children. Yes, all of you finished. Now color it, ma. Color the oval shape with yellow. Color the oval shape with yellow. Come on, take your yellow color crayons and color the oval with yellow color. Rectangle. Rectangle with blue. Diamond with orange. And heart with red. I am writing this small letters here. Y for yellow. And then rectangle will be in blue. B for blue, and then diamond shape is going to be in orange, O for orange, and then heart shape is going to be in red color, R for red. Yes? Yeah, wait 1 minute, I'm going to come back, children, wait a minute. Yes. Yeah, Ashni. Colored. Very good, Ashni. Good. Yes, tell me what are the shapes. Yes, point out the shapes and tell me. First one.
What is the shape? This is
Next.
Rectangle. Diamond.
Very good. Next. Okay, mute yourself, Kana. Next, who else finished? Karthikeyan. Tell me the shapes, Karthikeyan.
Oval. Rectangle. Diamond.
Very good, very good. Very good, Karthikeyan. Next, who else? Next, who else, Ma? Tarnika. Come on, tell me the shapes. Tell me the shapes, Ma.
Rectangle. Diamond.
Very good, very good. Next, who else finished? Nukshita. Yeah. Yeah, Nukshita and Danvin, both of you say. Nukshita and Danvin, both of you tell me what shapes are there. Tell me. First one. Yes, tell me, Ma. I'm hearing you. Very good, Danvin. Nukshita, now you say, Nukshita. Nukshita. Good, Siddharth. Good, very good. Very good, Siddharth. Dikshan, tell me what are the shapes. Good. Good. Okay, good, good. Next, who else finished? Parnas. Parnas, tell me what are the shapes, Ma. Tell me what are. Okay, very good. Next. Good. Dikshan. Dikshan. Tell me.
Oval.
First
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Vanilla ma'am, this is Rohita.
Ma'am,
Heart. Very good. Heart. Very good. Rohita.
This is ma'am. This is Soita.
Yeah, tell me, Rohita. Tell me the shapes, Rohita.
First shape andi.
Ma'am,
Shapes cheppu. Identi first shape andi.
so good.
No, oval.
Oval.
Circle.
Diamond idi.
Diamond.
Heart.
Heart. Okay. Vishank, did you finish, Vishank? Vishank. Zaidi. Very good, Zaidi. Tell me the shapes, Zaidi.
JD, tell me. First one.
Where's first one? Oval.
Next one.
Rectangle.
Next one. Next one.
Diamond. Diamond.
Next one.
Next one. Twinkle.
Diamond.
Diamond. Heart.
Heart. Very good, Zadie. Good. Children, everyone has finished? Very good. Nightic. Nightic, always Nightic will be waiting. Yes, you will be waiting, Nightic. Very good boy, Nightic. Come on, tell me.
Oval. Rectangle. Oval. Rectangle. Diamond. Heart.
Very good, Nightic. Good boy. Ritvik. Come on, tell me the shapes, Ritvik. Ritvik.
What is this?
Egg. Egg. What is the shape of egg?
Oval.
Next.
Triangle.
Oh, is that a triangle? Oh my goodness.
Oval.
Diamond. Diamond.
Next.
Heart.
Heart.
Yes, very good. Heart shape. Okay, Janavi, finish. Janavi. Yeah, tell me the shapes, Janavi.
Oval shape. Square shape.
Square. Rectangle is not rectangle. Is it rectangle or square? It's a rectangle. Okay, next.
Rectangle. Diamond.
Very good, Janavi. Good children. Everyone knew very well. Did I miss out anyone? Everyone has finished? Nitik finished. Pranita also finished? Then don't cry, Pranita. I didn't ask you. Pranita finished?
Ma'am, Siddharth wants to say.
Siddharth, you said right. I heard
No,
you,
not.
Siddharth. You only showed me, right? I heard you.
Okay, ma'am.
I heard him. Yeah, Pranita. Good. Tell me, Pranita. Colored, nice, very nice coloring.
Oval.
Mm.
What?
Heart.
Mm.
Diamond.
Mm.
Square.
Now rectangle.
Rectangle.
Next. Oh, that's all. 4 shapes only. Okay? Okay, very good, Pranita. Good girl. Did I miss out anyone, children? Vishank finish? Tilakar. Yeah, tell me, Tilakar. See, you have placed many notebooks, colors, crayons. Tell me the shape. Let me see how familiar you are. Oval. Which is oval? You are pointing out heart shape. Where is your small pointer finger? Where is diamond? Diamond shape. Which is diamond? Which is oval? Oval. Rectangle. Rectangle. Yeah, good. Very good, Tilakar. Very good, children. I think everyone I have finished. Did I miss out anyone, children? If I have missed out, please call me. Ashni, Danvin, Harnath also finished. Vidyut? Can I ask you, Vidyut? You will not cry, right? Yes, show me the shapes. That's enough. Show me one. Show me the shape. Where is oval? Where is oval? Yeah. Where is rectangle? Good. Where is heart? Heart, heart. Where is diamond? Heart, heart. Diamond. Diamond. Heart is last one, huh? Diamond. Diamond, it will be like this. Diamond. Kite, diamond shape. Yes? Good, good, Vidyut. Very good boy, Vidyut. Very good boy. Very good boy. Vishank, Vivan, both of you are pending now. Vishank, finish. Yeah, where is oval? Point out oval shape. Oval. Heart shape.
Heart.
Heart. Heart. Heart.
Heart, baby. Heart.
Heart. Heart. Diamond. 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 Rectangle. Rectangle. Good. Very good, Vishank. Well done. Okay, Vivan. Finally, Vivan. Where is your heart shape? Heart. No, Vivan's mom, don't help him. Heart. Diamond. 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 Oval. Oval. Rectangle. Good. What is the shape of your lollipop?
అప్పుడు హార్ట్ సింబల్ అది
I also want lollipop. Where is lollipop for man? Okay, children, thank you so much for your cooperation. Any doubts, you can stay back. One more information regarding Onam celebration. Yesterday itself, I told many of you, but few of you were absent yesterday. So one more time, we are saying we have dance performance, speech, creative chart work, anything if it is possible you can do. Those who are going to do dance performance, you please give your name. Children, you can dance along with your parents. You can dance along with your mom or dad or both of them or grandparents, whoever you want, you can dance with them. Speech, if you can talk about Onam, you can talk. And then chart work regarding Onam, you can do. And then on that day, we'll be doing a small activity, a Rangoli activity, a simple Rangoli. Have to keep it ready in a A4 sheet. Children, you will be coloring that. Different colorful colors will be giving. Okay, a small rangoli. Okay, parents, any doubt in this? Parents, any doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yeah, clear? Okay, any doubts, you please message me in group. We'll rectify that. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, children. Bye, children. Bye. 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 Bye.